In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a resume on LinkedIn. If you've uploaded a resume to LinkedIn and you no longer want it saved there, the good news is that the process is very quick and straightforward. This can be useful if you want to replace an outdated resume, remove older application materials, or simply keep your account more organized. To get started, log into your LinkedIn account and look at the top navigation bar. From there, click on Jobs. This will take you to the section of LinkedIn that's focused on job searching, applications, and career-related settings. Once you're on the Jobs page, move your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see an option called Preferences. Go ahead and click that. This area contains settings related to how LinkedIn manages your job search experience, including saved information used during applications. After opening Preferences, look for the option labeled Resumes and Application Data. Click on that section to continue. This is where LinkedIn stores resumes you've uploaded for job applications, along with other related application information. When you're in this section, you'll be able to see the resume or resumes currently saved to your account. From here, you can delete or remove the resume you no longer want LinkedIn to keep. If you have more than one version uploaded, make sure you choose the correct one before removing it. One helpful tip is to double-check whether the resume you're deleting is one you still want to use for future applications. If needed, you may want to save a copy on your device before removing it from LinkedIn, especially if it's an updated version you might want again later. Also, keep in mind that deleting a resume from this section removes it from your saved LinkedIn application data. But if you've already submitted job applications using that resume, it may still remain attached to applications you already sent. So this step mainly affects what LinkedIn keeps available for future use, and that's it. As you can see, deleting a resume on LinkedIn only takes a few clicks. Just go to Jobs, click Preferences, open Resumes and Application Data, and remove the resume you no longer need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.